Write the following decimals in ascending order: 0.76, 0.761 and 0.7. So ascending means from smallest to largest. Now it's a good idea when you're actually trying to order decimals, it's helpful if you to write them with the same number of numbers of digits after the decimal point, and then I'll show you what I mean by now. So if I write these down, 0.76, 0.761 and 0.7. So as we've got 3 here, we're going to now write the first one as 0.760. Second one we're going to keep the same, and the second one we're going to write as 0.700. Now, you can perhaps now just actually ignore the decimal points. We've got 700, 760, 761. So we can see that this one here has to be first, this one has to be second, and this one has to be third. So what we finally do is write out the order, but with the decimal in its original format. So the order is going to be 0.7, 0.76 and 0.761. So we're now going to do B, which is 0.004, 0.04 and 0.039. So writing those out, again we're going to add in some zeros. So we've got 3 digits, so here this one we're going to add a 0 to. So the first one stays the same, next one becomes 0.040 and the third one stays the same. So now basically if we ignore the decimal, we've got 4, 40 and 39. So the 4 is first, this one is second, and this middle one is third. So we now write them out in order according to the original format. So this is first 0.04, 0.39 and 0.04. Part C, got 1.3, 0.13, 0.31, 1.13. So again, we're just going to add in zeros here. We only got 2 numbers on the decimal point, so we've got 1.30. There was going to be 0.13, 0.31 and 1.13. So we've now got 130, 13, 31 and 13. Sorry, 113. So this is going to be the first, this is going to be the second, this is going to be the third, and this is going to be the fourth. So writing them out in their original format, that's going to be 0.13, 0.31, 1.13 and then 1.30. 1.3. Don't put the 0 and write it in its original format. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to write a list of decimals in ascending order. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.